Unlocking the mystery of the double-ended wrench. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines language learning with practical knowledge. We're going to explore what a double-ended wrench is and why it's a useful tool not just in the toolbox but also in expanding your English vocabulary. Let's unlock this mystery together. A double-ended wrench is a tool that has a unique feature. It has two ends, each with a different size of wrench opening. This design makes it versatile and convenient for various tasks. Imagine having one tool in your hand that can adjust bolts or nuts of two different sizes. That's the practicality and efficiency of a double-ended wrench. It's like having two tools in one, which is why it's favored by mechanics, plumbers, and DIY enthusiasts. The term double-ended can be fascinating from a language perspective. It's a compound adjective where double signifies two or twice, and ended indicates that there are ends or terminations. When we say something is double-ended, it means it has two functioning ends, which can apply to various objects, not just tools. Understanding these compound adjectives enhances your descriptive abilities in English, allowing you to convey more with less. A double-ended wrench is not just a theoretical concept. It has practical applications that can be seen in everyday life. For instance, if you're assembling furniture, fixing a bicycle, or even working on a car, you might reach for a double-ended wrench. This tool exemplifies how English terms often have direct ties to real-life actions and objects, making them vital for both language learners and professionals. Discussing tools like the double-ended wrench offers a great opportunity to expand your English vocabulary. Here are some tips. Use descriptive adjectives like double-ended, adjustable, or multifunctional to explain tools. Practice verbs related to tool use, such as tighten, loosen, adjust, and fix. Familiarize yourself with nouns for parts of tools, like handle, head, jaw, and grip. This vocabulary not only helps in understanding tool-related discussions but also in participating in conversations about problem-solving and mechanical work. We hope this exploration of the double-ended wrench has been both enlightening and engaging. Tools like these are great examples of how language and practical knowledge intersect, offering rich opportunities for learning and application. Remember, every new term you learn opens up a new aspect of the world around you. Keep building your vocabulary, and don't hesitate to dive into new topics. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.